Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Guys, I'm back with another strategy, another wonderful strategy that can help you guys to trade successful on scrapping boom 1000 on 1 minute time frames. And also you can also use this same strategy on crash 1000. So it works on crash 1000 and it also works on boom 1000. So let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you guys can set it up on your phone too. So for the settings of this strategy, you only need two things on your indicator window. One, the first one is the relative strength index, where you are having your period of 14, you are having applied to close, and you are having your start your pizza to be in black color, and you have different level. We have 10, we have 90, we have 20, and we have 80. And also you have all your time frames will be in all. Then you press done. Then you move to the second one, which is the market index. The volume will be thick. We have the 9 way to be 4 pixel, and we have all our color in black color. So I'm using white background. So if you are using black background, make sure all this color you have it in white color. So then you press on done. Now let me show you how you can implement this strategy and scrap the market on boom 1000, and you can also use it to also scrap the market in crash 1000. So one thing that you need to understand is to understand the movement of this indicator window 1. So what you need to understand is you need to understand your market's index. This is the market index, the one that we are having at this particular line. You see, very thick one, very tiny thick. It's reaching our 90 level here. You see, it reached our 90 level. And also we have another one here that is reaching our 90 level. And this black one that is very thick now that you are seeing here is the RSI 14. That is the RSI of 14. So what you are going to do, what you are going to be target every time you want to enter a trade with this strategy, is for you to wait for your RSI 14 to 80 level. Once it reach your 80 level, and you can also confirm your market index reaching above 80 level, then this is the right time to scrap the market. You can easily take all down the market 20 candle without any spike. So let me show you something. You see, you need to be very careful when you are trading with this strategy, because majority of the time you can see what we are having here. Once you start to move the trade of the market, you will see that it's fall on a downtrend. You see that it fall back on a downtrend. You see, before it was around this side, but when I keep on moving the trade, it's fall down. So this is not what we are going to be taking. What we are going to be taking will be exactly something that is not move. You see, something like this. When you check the two confirmation, you see your tick RSI of 14 is reaching your It's reaching your 80 level, and also you have your market index, which also give you a very strong 9, and it's reaching your 90 level. So exactly this is kind of trade I ask you guys to take like this. So this will be as your entry. This will be as your entry side. You see, there is a small spike before the market keep on taking down a trade. And you can, if you see very well, you see that we have the long straight to catch. So with this now, you can catch up to 20 to 30 candlestick with this strategy. What you just need to do is, once you confirm this your entry, you are going to move it from this particular area. You are going to move it to this area. You will see that same entry still remain where it is. You see, you move it from the beginning to the end, it still remain where it is. You see that? So that is exactly the kind of trade you can easily enter, and you are going to trade it without without making any loss, because you're going to respect that level. So let me show you more of the sample. You see, these are not what are not accurate because our RSI could not able to reach our 80 level. So let me show you more of the accurate. You see something like this. You see something like this. Our RSI what reach our 80 level, and we have our markets that also reach our what our 90 level. This is the kind of trade I ask you guys to take. You see, from this particular trade now, this will be your what your entry. This will be your entry, and you can set up your what your stop loss here different of 10, and you can keep on what keep on trading. Take as many candle as you want. The minimum amount you can take is 20 candle. 20 candle, that's the minimum amount you can take with this strategy. That's on 1 minute time frames. So let me show you another small sample. You see an entry at this particular moment. If you move it from the beginning to the end, you will see it's not moving from that range. It still remain in that same spot. So this is the kind of entry I ask you guys to take. You see, this will be your entry. You set up your stop loss, and you keep on taking your what you begin to count your candlestick until you have the number of your target. You see, this is even more than 20 and 30 candlestick with this strategy. Let me show you exactly how many candlestick that is exactly in that place. So let me show you exactly how many candle is in that place. You see, currently here now we are having, before this baby spike, we are having 22 candlestick there, and if we keep on taking it up to this level, we are having up to like 76 candlestick to take. You see that? So let me show you more of the of this accurate, just for you to scrap the market. You see, like this particular entry now, I see another entry. If it is just like 5 times of it you can catch in a day, then that is the best for you. You see, when you move from the beginning to the end, it still remain in that same spot. The first rule is for you to make the RSI to reach your 80 level, and you have your market index to reach your what to reach your 90 level. You see, your entry will be around this side, and you keep on trading. There's a little spike here, but you are still going to make your what your profit more bigger. So you can count it. You can see that you keep on what trading down, and you can see above more than 20 candlestick over there. So that's exactly what I asked you guys to do. You see, another one is confirm at this area also. You see that you keep on what taking down your candlestick. This is even more than 20 candlestick. So this is best strategy for you guys to what to use. You can see how that is really works. So let me show you how it also works on Crash 1000. You see, on Crash 1000, what you are going to be looking at is anytime you are having your RSI, which is the thick black one, reaching your 20 level, and you are having your market index, which is the tiny black 9, reaching your 10 level. So that's exactly when you are going to be enter this market. You see now, around this area now, you see none of them is reaching the 20 level, so that areas are not safe for you to enter. So you need to wait for the accurate time. You see something like this, you see something like this, you see this is the best accurate time for you to enter the trade. You see that the RSI reached your what it reached your 20 level. That's the full confirmation. Then we have our market index reaching our what our 90 level at this area. So this is the right time for you to enter the market, and when you enter at this level, you keep on taking your what your trade, and it spike little bit, then keep on what taking that candlestick. You see you can even catch up to 30 candlestick with this, but there's always a room that you can allow your trade to run on lost before it's enter a great profit for you. So if you are taking 20 candlestick on 1 minute time frames with your 0.20, that is going to be $2 per each trade you open. You see, that's what you only need to know. So let me give you more confirmation of it. You see another confirmation at this area. You see your RSI is giving you a confirmation at the 20, and we have our market index at this above 80 level, which is reaching our 90 level. So exactly this is the best time for you to enter this market, because you can see the market is fluctuating on this area but it have already give you a confirmation at this area. But if you check that, this will always be your your best time to entry. So is either you enter your market at this area, or you enter at this area, or you enter at this area. These three areas are the best confirmation for you. But even despite that the spike happen, it's still going to what? It's still going to make everything in profit back, because you are having a long term buy entry at this particular area. You see that? So that's the secret of this strategy. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful strategy for you guys. And also you can like and comment on our video, and also you can join our mentorship for guys and for more training on how to trade boom and crash. Thanks.